Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your time. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to discuss the continuity of direct and indirect narration. Our reporting speech is the important one today because it is going to be in the past tense, and we are going to discuss the change of tense today, and then definitely we'll move on to the transformation of direct narration into indirect narration with the help of examples. So, first of all, I would like to recall the rules of changing direct narration into indirect narration. The first one is removal of punctuation marks, that means removal of inverted commas and removal of comma. Then next we have addition of that, addition of to, or no addition of that or to. Then we studied about change of pronoun, that has been already discussed in detail. Now the next rule is change of tense, that is the important one, and it is going to be implemented when our reporting speech is in past tense. So change of tense of reported speech occurs. Okay, now just first of all understand the reported speech. What is a reported speech? Reported speech is the actual words of the speaker that have been said by someone, and they are written in inverted commas. And reported speech is going to be changed according to the tense of reporting speech. And I have already told you that the reporting speech, the portion that is outside the inverted commas, that can be written in the start of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. If it is in past tense, then we are going to change the tense of the reported speech. Now let's take an example first. Just understand this, and then I'll tell you how to change the tense. For example, simple sentence is there. He said, I work hard to get success. Now, if you look at the construction of this sentence, there are two portions of this sentence. The one is reporting speech. He said. It is in past tense because said is the word. It is a verb actually that tells us that this is the past tense. And the next portion is I work hard to get success. That is written in inverted commas. These are the actual words of the subject of reporting speech, that is he. He was the person who said this about himself. So those actual words are written in inverted commas. Now if you concentrate, two portions are there. One is in past tense and one is in present tense. But if we are supposed to change this narration into indirect narration, then definitely we have to apply the rules. If we apply this first rule, punctuation marks, if we apply the second rule, that is to add that, then the change of pronoun that is already taught, it is going to be applied. Then the last rule, how to change or how to implement this rule with the previous portion. Now he said that I is the first person pronoun. It is going to be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. So it will become he. Now if I write he said that he worked hard to get success, then this sentence will be out of structure. The structure of this sentence will be considered as incorrect. So that's why I have to change the tense of the reported speech after changing into indirect narration. He said that he worked. Simple. You have to change this present indefinite tense into the past indefinite tense. He worked hard to get success. Rest of the sentence will be the same, only you have to focus on the tense. Now when you are well aware that the reporting speech is in past tense, then how the change of occur will be implemented in the portion of the reported speech. That's I am going to tell you in the form of a table. If reported speech is in present tense, that is present indefinite tense. So it will be directly changed into past indefinite tense. If it is in present continuous tense, it will be changed into past continuous tense. I'll tell you the examples to explain all these points of changing the tense. If it is in present perfect tense, so it will be changed into past perfect tense. If it is in present perfect continuous tense, then simply it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. If reported speech is any aspect of present tense, it will be shifted to the concerned past tense. But if our reported speech is in past indefinite tense and reporting is past indefinite tense, what will we do? We will convert the past indefinite tense into past perfect tense. And if it is in past continuous tense, then what will we do? We will change into past perfect continuous tense. This is all about past tense when our reporting speech is in past tense. So certain changes are implemented on the tense of reported speech. Now let's go for each and every change with the help of example. The first one I have explained, that is he said, I work hard to get success. And when you change it, you will certainly change the sentence that he said that he worked hard to get success. Always remember that the role of verb is very important when we are talking about tenses. The verb is the only thing, or the helping verb is the only thing, that they both are meant to explain the tense of the sentence. If reported speech is in present continuous tense, then it will be changed into past continuous tense. So again, our reporting speech is in past tense. He said, I'll continue with the similar example for your understanding, and then later on we'll go for the different examples. Now the sentence is, he said, I am working hard to get success. So what will happen with this sentence? Again, the change of pronoun occur. For now we'll go for this one pronoun, that is I, and then later on we will change the pronoun for your understanding. Change will be, he said that he was working. Simply I am will be changed into was working hard to get success. Then next I have an example, that is he said, I have worked hard to get success. Now change it into indirect narration. Reporting speech is in past tense, reported speech is in present perfect tense. We have to change this present perfect tense into past perfect tense after opening the punctuation marks. So the change is, he said that he had worked hard to get success. Now next we have, he said, I have been working hard to get success. He said that he had been working hard to get success. Changing present tense of reported speech, it is a bit easier because it is directly changed into the concerned past tense. Now it's turn of reported speech, that is in past indefinite and then past continuous. He said, I worked hard. Now both the portions of this sentence, that is reporting and reported, they both are in past indefinite tense. So you have to change the tense of reported speech, that is he said that he had worked hard. You have to add this word had because already it is in past indefinite tense. So past indefinite tense will be changed into past perfect tense. Next is, he said, I was working hard to get success. Now it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense, that is he said that he had been working hard to get success. Here, if it is reported speech is in past continuous tense, it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. And the same is if reported speech is in present perfect continuous tense, so again it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. The easy trick for this reported speech that is in past tense is this, that first of all make a table for yourself that we have 4 aspects of every tense, that is indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Now just with the help of arrow, keep one thing in mind, that if our reported speech is in past indefinite tense, it will be changed into past perfect tense. The one first aspect will be converted into the third aspect, and if it is past continuous tense, it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense, that the second aspect will be changed into the fourth aspect of the past tense. Next we have reported speech that is in future tense. Let's see how the changes will occur. He said they will enjoy the party. He said that they would enjoy the party. All the rules will be implemented as it is. Only will and shall, if it is future indefinite tense, they both will be changed into would. Next example is, he said I shall come soon. Now here we have helping verb that is shall, but it will be changed into would. He said that he would come soon. So this is the trick, that if there is will or shall in the reported speech and reporting speech is in past tense, they both helping verbs will be changed into would. Then next reported speech is in future perfect tense. Examples are, he said they will have enjoyed the party. Only will be changed. He said that they would have enjoyed the party. And same is the case with, he said I shall have completed the task. He said that he would have completed the task. And the future perfect continuous tense is also easy if reported speech is in future perfect continuous tense. The girl said she will have been studying for 2 hours. And the indirect narration is, the girl said she would have been studying for 2 hours. So this was all about today's video. Just go through it, and if you have any query you can ask me. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.